All right, so we got my wife's F30 here, and I got new LED headlight bulbs and LED taillights. So last thing we need is the turn signals. So I got these off Amazon. Hopefully they don't do like hyper flash. And I got a cabin air filter because AC smells weird. So I'm gonna do that today and take you guys along. All right, so we're changing this bulb out. It's real ugly for this one. So I'm pretty sure all you do is just turn the wheel all the way in, like left or right or whatever. And there's like this little access panel here, and you just pull this shit down, and that comes out. That's your low beam, and I don't know. Oh, that is your turn signal. God damn, that shit tight as fuck. I don't know which way it turns. All right, I'm gonna try two hands. All right, for some reason that shit was like really in there, but got it out. No. All right, so got it out. For some reason it was really stuck in there, so I used that shit to twist it off. And then now we're gonna put the new LED bulb in, and I'll show you guys how to do that in case you guys never changed a bulb before. All right, so obviously you want to wear gloves just like I am, because you don't want it. Oh fuck. All right, you don't want any oils on the bulb. Hope they still work. It's like the second time I dropped these things. And then just twist it, and it's locked in now. So you just push it in, turn left to remove it. Make sure you line these little keys up, and then push it in, twist, lock, boom. Now I'm gonna put it back in with the new LED bulb. All right, boom, and then twist it. Oh, that shit tight. I'm gonna have to tighten it with the fucking shit. So people say that you can remove the fender liner and it's easier, but we're not about to do all that. Shouldn't have had to, but let's see if it works. Damn, that shit tough. All right, I know in the video it's like flashing and shit, but it's not doing that in real life. So I'm gonna turn the car on real quick and make sure that there's no hyper flash. Hell yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna do this one, and I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, so I'm sorry the last video I took was For some reason, it was a time lapse. But it's not flashing. It just, in the camera it is. And yeah. So, yep. So if you're interested in these bulbs, I think they're like 15 bucks on Amazon. And yeah, they're not on anymore, obviously, but